Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix only English songs are available in your Instagram, Facebook story music option. For example, if you click on music option and you see that only the English songs are available and you do not find any local songs, so that you can simply set on your story. But if there is no option available, so that you can simply add the songs you want, and if you search for a song and you do not find any song, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply report the problem to Facebook team. For this, what you have to do, you have to first of all click on the profile section, and here you have to simply go to settings and privacy, and here you have to click on report a problem. After that, what you have to do, you have to wait for some seconds so that Facebook app can generate automatic report, so that it can include in the report that what is the problem you are having. As you are having the problem in the story section, so you have to simply describe the issue here that hello Facebook team, I am not having Bollywood songs in my music story option. So kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also attach the screenshot of the problem, and here you have to simply send the problem. Moreover, you have to also try the next trick, which is as that you have to simply press and hold the app, and you have to simply go to app info, and after that you have to simply force stop the app, and you have to simply clear the cache and storage, and you have to simply log in into your account again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply search for Facebook here, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Facebook app, because many problem has been solved by the updated version of the Facebook, and in this way you can solve this problem as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.